Andrew's out there getting his bike ready. I just finished up taking a shower and fixing my mop. Today we're going to Cloudcroft, New Mexico. It's a few hours from here, so it's not a long day of riding, but we're stopping at White Sands National Park. I gotta finish packing up and then get the stuff on the bike, so we'll see you out there. Tires all look good. We made a quick stop here at the Santa Rita mine overlook, and you can see in the background there, big old mine. In fact, here's the sign. It's an industry leader, is what it says, Freeport McMoran. I don't know if that might be the same mining company that's in the Globe, Miami, Arizona area. But they got big mining operation over here. Big old tire. That's amazing down there. Think I should send up the drone?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know I'd go too much that way.
No, because if it falls,
That, and they might get upset.
yeah. Yeah, if there's no sign, I'm gonna put it up. Yeah, so just a copper mine. You can pause it on the video if you want to read this. Well, let's send up the drone. Healers, a couple blue healers. So this is Emory Pass, and I believe it's the Gila National Forest. They had some road construction. Not really road construction, they put that loose gravel on the road, and I almost ate it. Not even going fast, I just happened to hit a patch going around a curve, and it was kind of loose like this. I mean, it was kind of thick. But we survived.
Barely.
Barely. Gila National Forest.
Pronounced Gila.
Well, it's super bright out here because of all the sand, so I had to put my helmet on because I don't have sunglasses. Andrew has his.
Yeah, I came prepared.
But yeah, the sand is pretty compact in this area, so we're able to ride on it. We got checked into the Grand
Chateau.
Now, what is this? The Grand Cloudcroft? Yeah, the Grand Cloudcroft Hotel. That is in Cloudcroft. Right across the street is the Cloudcroft Brewing Company, which we're going to go to. And I believe they have pizza, so we're going to get some pizza and some beer and just relax. Yep, there's the bikes for the night. Bless you. And then this is the Grand Cloudcroft Hotel. Very nice. We're going up across the way right there to the Cloudcroft Brewing Company. Then maybe we'll come back, and if the fire pit's on, we'll sit outside. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like they're adding on. Last year when I came through, they had just built this, and now they're building that addition to the main building. So they're expanding. We get this beer in Phoenix. I think they have it at Safeway.
Cheers. Cheers. That was a good chip.
Good chip, sturdy. The salsa's got great viscosity. And the flavor?
Red.
The flavor is red. Join us next time as we pack up our bikes in Cloudcroft and head into Texas, where we take in some great views and we stop at a brewery for lunch, and then a Harley-Davidson dealership in Lubbock, Texas, before getting to our hotel.